Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Sonria Slime is probably one of the most popular and engaging sensory toys available today, offering a unique tactile experience that captivates both children and adults alike with its vibrant colors, satisfying textures, and endless possibilities for creative play, making it a must-have for anyone seeking a fun and therapeutic way to de-stress and explore their imagination through the simple joy of squishing, stretching, and molding. Number 5. Stationery Galaxy Slime Kit for Kids. Get ready for an out-of-this-world crafting experience. This kit lets you create mesmerizing galactic designs with glow-in-the-dark stars. Dive into a world of glittery fun with vibrant pink, purple, and blue slimes. It's perfect for creating dazzling, sparkly masterpieces. This kit is designed to foster creativity and imaginative play. It provides all the essential supplies for hours of entertainment and crafting. Looking for a gift for girls aged 8 to 12? This kit offers engaging activities and creative exploration, making it a cherished present. This comprehensive kit includes everything needed for a fun and creative slime-making experience. Get ready for vibrant crafting adventures. What we like. This kit offers a truly cosmic crafting experience with its glow-in-the-dark elements and galactic glitter. If you are looking for a slime kit that sparks imagination and allows for creative exploration of space themes, this is the perfect choice for young astronomers and crafters. What people say. The slime is super stretchy and doesn't rip easily. It comes with a good amount of glitter and charms, making it fun to play with. The texture is smooth and satisfying, not sticky at all. Number 4. Original Stationery Mini Galaxy Slime Kit. Ignite your child's imagination with this amazing slime kit. It's perfect for transforming creative ideas into dazzling cosmic adventures. Make any birthday or celebration extra special with this interactive slime set. It provides hours of hands-on fun for everyone. Encourage exciting exploratory play with included galactic stars and glow powder. Kids can craft their own mini galaxy slime, fostering creativity. This comprehensive set is perfect for group activities, promoting teamwork and collaborative learning. It's ideal for parties or educational settings. Looking for a unique gift? This Slime Maker Kit offers an engaging, tactile experience. It lets children express their creativity with glow-in-the-dark colors. What we like. This mini galaxy slime kit is designed for interactive fun and group learning, making it ideal for parties or educational settings. If you need slime supplies for multiple participants or want to encourage teamwork and collaborative play, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. The slime is super stretchy and doesn't rip easily. It comes with a good amount of add-ins like glitter and foam balls. The texture is really satisfying and it makes fun popping sounds. Number 3. Original Stationery Soft Clay for Slime. Discover a world of imagination with our soft, pliable clay. It's perfect for creating stretchy butter slime and enhancing your slime-making adventures. Transform this white modeling clay into amazing sculptures or unique slime creations. It works with activators, offering endless fun for artistic exploration. Designed for kids, this lightweight clay makes creating butter slime a delightful experience. It's compatible with various slime add-ins and glues, letting you express your artistic flair. Engage your senses with this soft clay, perfect for cozy indoor crafting. Its moldable nature encourages imaginative and creative play for hours of enjoyment. Spark creativity and learning with this exceptional DIY slime kit. It's a wonderful gift for birthdays or parties, bringing dynamic crafting and pure joy to children. What we like. This soft clay add-in is perfect for creating that desirable butter slime texture with its stretchy, air-dry foam. If you love the feel of butter slime and want to enhance your slime creations with a smooth, moldable element, this white clay is an excellent choice for imaginative crafting. What people say. The slime is super stretchy and doesn't rip easily. It has a great texture and is not sticky at all. The colors are vibrant and the glitter adds a nice touch. Number 2. Butter Chocolate Slime, 200 milliliters. Introducing our Butter Chocolate Slime, a delightful sensory experience for kids. This 200 milliliters container is packed with soft, stretchy fun. Crafted with absolutely great, playful materials, it's perfect for children. Please remember, it's not edible and intended for children over 3. Knead it a few times before playing for the best texture. It's a fantastic way to boost creativity and develop essential motor skills. Looking for a stress reliever, party favor, or educational toy? This is it. It helps children release anxiety and stay engaged for hours. Store it back in its container after playing to keep it fresh. Proper storage ensures a great slime experience every time. What we like? This butter chocolate slime offers a delightful sensory experience with its pleasant scent and stretchy, soft texture. If you're looking for a ready-to-play slime that provides stress relief and hours of tactile fun, especially for hyperactive or anxious children, this is a great pick. What people say? The slime is super stretchy and doesn't dry out. It comes with a lot of add-ins like glitter and foam balls, which makes it fun to customize. The texture is really satisfying, not too sticky and easy to play with. Number 1. Peachybbies Dreamy Axolotl Cloud Slime. Get ready to experience the magical world of our Dreamy Axolotl Cloud Slime. It's a delightful sensory adventure for everyone. Proudly handmade in Austin, Texas, this slime boasts a delicious candy-like scent that's sure to please. It's a truly authentic creation. This 7 ounces jar is filled with soft, fluffy purple cloud dough. It's scented with a sweet and tart aroma, offering a uniquely squishy texture. Topped with a dreamy sky of pastel charms, including an axolotl and moon, it provides a satisfying ASMR experience. It's perfect for magical play. More than just cute, this slime is a calming escape. It doubles as a sensory fidget toy, perfect for squeezing, stretching, and relaxation. Loved by millions since 2017, our premium slime is third-party tested for safety and non-toxic. It's recommended for ages 5 and up. What we like? This cloud dough slime provides a unique ASMR experience with its soft, fluffy texture and sweet scent, featuring adorable axolotl charms. If you are seeking a premium, calming sensory toy for stress relief or enjoy the satisfying sounds and textures of ASMR slime, this is a wonderful choice. What people say? The slime is super stretchy and doesn't tear easily. It comes with a good amount of glitter and charms, making it fun to play with. The texture is smooth and satisfying, not sticky at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.